today's video, I'm gonna be testing out some slime, and I can't wait to test it with you guys. This was only $1, and I wanna see if dollar store slime really works. So, what do we get inside? We get our instructions, a measuring cup, we also get a popsicle stick for stirring, we get some glue, and this is just clear glue in 30 milliliters. We get some glitter to make glitter slime, and it is silver, very pretty, and our borax. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and add my borax into my warm water and get all of my ingredients in my bowl so I can start mixing. Okay, I have all the ingredients inside this bowl, and I'm just gonna start stirring until I see that the glitter and glue are all mixed together really well, and then I'm going to move on to activating my slime. So at this point, I'm just gonna take my activator and I'm just gonna add a little bit each time and stir until I get the consistency I need. Now time for the big reveal. Dun dun dun! Here it is. It actually worked, guys. This slime kit I would highly recommend. The quality is really good for $1. The only thing I will have to say is now I understand why a lot of people fail at slime kits. The instructions are not clear, and they don't even tell you how much water and borax to mix. So, if you've never made slime before, I would not recommend a slime kit. I would definitely follow a tutorial. But anyways, guys, I had a lot of fun doing this. If you want to see more slime videos, let me know in the comments down below. Continue watching if you want to see more slime play, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye, guys! Oh wow, you made it to the end of my video. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you get notified when I upload.